We're here at setup day at Smoky Mountain. I left my camera inside, so I got Eric holding the iPhone. Look, first set of 38 1550-30s that we've seen in person. The MT2s from Fury. I'm a little mad they didn't end up on KG1s, but JTX, Ruthless, whoever gets them. Look, 38s on 30s. Industry game changer, bro. Game changer. Love that. One of the first sets.
Iron did it first.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Is the truck over there? I was gonna say we got to show who did it first, because I feel like there's good. God forbid anybody sees this video. I don't need no. I want to show y'all first 38s for 30s in the whole world, baby. .38s. See, on a 1500, this would be incredible, because you could do a 30x14, 38 1550-30 on a 9-inch McGaughy's and trim it on 14 wides. Wouldn't that be insane to be able to put this wheel and tire size on a Chevy 1500, brand new Chevy 1500? Look how much. I can only imagine how difficult that was to mount. I love this though. This might be my new favorite setup, 30x16s and 38s. There's supposed to be another truck out here that did this same wheel and tire setup as well, same size and everything. So we're gonna see if we can find out. Actually, look, here it is. You got both of them together. I think this is it. Yeah, okay. Now that, okay. I ain't upset about it though. Got both of them together. That's crazy. Sheesh. That's thumbnail for you right there. 30x16 Victors on the 38 1550s. We got one on JTX, one on Ruthless Fords, and one on KG1s. I think this one's got to be my favorite. The all chrome FTS on the high country is just too clean. It's too clean. Y'all gotta let me know which one's your favorite.